continue my homework for next 8. Pronunciation and wait a minute. Sound, sleep, success, expensive, exciting, question, six, cooks, staff, ice cream, you scream, we all scream, I for ice cream. Sound, zero, zombie, business, exactly, apologize, exercise, size, rose, fuzzy wuzzy were bear, fuzzy wuzzy had no hair, fuzzy wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? And zoo, zoo, that zoo was amazing, that zoo was amazing. Sweet, zip, sip it slowly, zip it slowly. Pass, pass, I had a bath, I had a bath. Peace, peace, I want the big piece, I want the big piece. Price, price, what's the price, what's the price? Finish my homework for next 8. See you later.